Welcome back to eCreativeAid. You might want to go sock shopping right now to find the best pair of stylish socks. The controversy over whether or not we're supposed to wear socks to bed has been debated for years. Fortunately, we have an answer, and what you're about to hear is going to blow your mind. So keeping your feet warm at night has been proven to actually make a difference in your sleeping patterns. It makes you have fewer restless nights and makes you fall asleep 15 minutes sooner than usual. Heating cold feet causes the dilation of blood vessels, which tells the brain that it is bedtime. After the blood vessels open in your feet, heat is redistributed throughout the body to prepare for sleep. Wearing socks to bed is also useful in curing dry feet. Traditional Chinese medicine also backs up this wear socks to bed concept. In addition to that, cold impedes the flow of energy. So, for example, if you think about a warm bath, you relax, and in cold water, you tense up. Cold creates stagnation, which can also lead to pain. Think of Raynaud's syndrome, which causes some areas of your body, such as your fingers and toes, to feel numb and cold in response to cold temperatures or stress. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.